Hi, Oxwall Skadate. If you are familiar with Tinder, you're probably used to their user swiping game. A game that basically lets you swipe through users on the website and match you with other users who have swiped and liked your profile. Interesting, right? So look at this beautiful lady right here. I can decide to swipe uh, left for note, right for like, up for super like, and done for nothing. Okay, so you could also notice this buttons at the bottom. I could click to replicate the same effect. Okay, so what is even more interesting is you are just a few clicks away from setting up the Tinder like user swiping game on your Oswald and Skadate site. So this is a feature working on my local Oswald installation. Of course, you can try this as well on Skadate. It works flawlessly. Okay, so this is basically it. I swap up for super like, left for not, right for like. If you scroll down a little bit, you would see the buttons. You could the control button, or they will replicate the same function. All right. Now